How to use law edging bender board. Bender board is a 1/4 inch composite or redwood product that is used to edge lawns and gardens. This product is particularly good at conforming to tight corners, and this contributes to its popularity, which sometimes makes it difficult to find in stores. Bender board is sold in long rolls, which also means fewer joints. Installing bender board is similar to other wood or composite products. Things you will need: hose, landscape paint, pick, trowel, stakes, nails. Position your hose to the shape you want to use to edge your lawn. The flexibility of the hose will allow you to create organic curves to soften the transition from lawn to planting beds. Mark your line with a landscape spray paint designed to spray upside down. These are often bright colors and easy to see while you work. Dig a trench using the sharp end of a pick. The trench should be 1/2 inch less deep than the height of the bender board. You want the board to be 1/4 to 1/2 inch above the soil height so that it will not be a tripping hazard. Use a hand trowel to scoop out the dirt. Drive board stakes into the trench. Start 6 inches from one end. Space your stakes every 4 to 5 feet. Use double stakes around joints to keep them secure. Hammer the stakes 1 inch below the top edge of the bender board. Nail the bender board to the stakes. You may need to support the back side of the stake while nailing. Add an extra stake at the beginning and end of your edging. Pack the soil on the lawn side against the bender board as tightly as you can. Taper the top 2 inches on the garden side of the board to accommodate mulch. Pack the soil against the bender board before finishing with the mulch. You want the bender board to feel very secure and for the stakes to be hidden underground or by mulch. Tips: warnings. Curves trick the eye and can make a smaller yard look bigger. In large yards, a curve is more welcoming and inviting.